Hey everyone! In this quick PowerPoint tutorial, I'll show you how to merge shapes to create custom graphics and designs using built-in tools in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Step 1. Open PowerPoint and go to any slide. Click on the Insert tab, then select Shapes to add two or more shapes to your slide. Step 2. Drag the shapes into place and overlap them the way you want them to merge. You can resize or rotate them as needed. Step 3. Hold down Shift and click each shape to select them together. Step 4. Go to the Shape Format tab at the top. This appears once your shapes are selected. Click Merge Shapes on the left side. From the drop-down, choose from Union, combines them, Combine, removes overlapping parts, Fragment, breaks it into parts, Intersect, keeps only the overlapping sections, Subtract, removes one shape from another. Bonus tip: after merging, you can still apply colors, outlines, and effects to your new custom shape for extra flair. And that's how you merge shapes in PowerPoint like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!